aiming for your better drilling feeling. Here we present you our new state-of-the-art product, the JK730. The automatic drill rig is conceived and developed by JK Drilling to cope with the tendency that safety and environment protection are increasingly drawing the global attention. It is an advanced flagship product, and it far outclasses the conventional drill rigs by showcasing its labor-saving, human cost-effective, and environmentally friendly features. JK730 comes in 3 control types: Basic type, Close Range Control type, and Long Range Control type. The Close Range Control type, functioning within a range of 150 meters, enables the operator to control the rig at a safe distance, especially in mined-out areas or other dangerous site conditions. And the Long Range Control type, which is an initiative application in the country, can be operated and monitored in remote control center via 4G network, literally making the rig driverless and fully automatic. The multifunctional fully sealed luxury cabin can provide a safe and cozy environment for the operator. Thanks to the advanced electronic control technique, the rig's running status, indications, warnings, drilling angle, etc. all can be seen on the dashboard, making the operation easier. The undercarriage adopts a floating frame, which enables the whole rig to oscillate 10 degrees back and forth to maintain the machine level, thus can move quickly and negotiate the toughest terrains. JK730 carries a powerful, fuel-saving, and reliable diesel engine, which complies with the National Phase 3 emission standard. The anti-jamming twin cycloid rotary motors can output high torque and adjust to a suitable rotation rate according to specific rock condition, thus maximizing the productivity and minimizing the cost. JK730 is equipped with an advanced automatic rod handling system with rod storage capacity. With one single lever, the operator can add, withdraw, and select rods easily, consequently boosting the working efficiency. JK730 also features an efficient dust collector with sliding dust suction cap. Its high efficiency and stable performance considerably prolong the rig's service life and protect operating personnel's health. JK Drilling has an exceptional after-sale service team and boasts its professional consultancy services system. And the service team has been strictly and professionally trained and qualified. They will present at site the first time you ask for help. Jinka drilling is always for your better drilling feeling. JK730 automatic crawler mounted DTH drill rig, your better choice.